I remember the first time I'd been here. I told everyone, everywhere you look, it's like a postcard. And that is true to an extent. However, it's not as peaceful as you'd think. It's heavy. You're standing on fields of crushed volcanic rock that used to be mountains. Everything is constantly moving. It makes you feel very small, very quickly. These massive blocks of ancient ice are just suspended. It's like looking at a graveyard of time. No filters, no social media, no AI. You'd think, how could there be life here? And then you see them, just lounging. They don't care that the water is freezing or that the wind is biting. They aren't visitors like I am. They actually belong here. This is a massive wall of ice, scarred with volcanic ash. It's like marble. Up close, you can see the layers of every eruption, every winter. It's like a record of everything the Earth has been through. As beautiful as it is, it's hard to be here, but it's something you just need to witness. I think I was wrong. It's not a postcard. It's the realization that nature doesn't need us to be beautiful. It just is.